Hi everyone, today I introduce myself. I am Jake P. Winslow. I am grade 12 student at St. John Bosco Parish, Luan. And I live in Ilea Kotkot, Luan, Cebu. I am 19 years old. In our family, there are 5 of us and I have 2 older brothers and I am the youngest. And I am looking for new opportunity and learn to grow right and I am so focuses to my study. And someone while person growth in life, I'm trying to get a job like sideline to sustain my financial. I want to encourage myself that I can start my own path and that's why I'm so working hard and keep going. What I have done because my mom told me that whatever you have done, just keep going. Your dream goal in life and that's why I'm looking forward to get my dream goal and in life and getting my dream I want to encourage myself and I want my my family proud of me.